Virality. What is the recipe? What is the recipe? Is there a recipe? Is there one trick? You know, when someone talks about that one video that explodes, that one video that goes mad on the internet that everyone manages to see. Is there a trick to it? Is it luck? Is there an algorithm? What are we all doing? YouTube is a funny platform. Mentally, for me, I've always struggled with the balance of creating content and uploading content that works within the algorithms and expectations of YouTube viewers and also things that I enjoy. There is a way to do it, a kind of a rule book in a way, in order to get reach, in order to get your videos pushed out to people. But I've always struggled with that, always struggled with it. And I've always wanted to do videos that I enjoy, things that entertain me. And it's hard because you do it and then you look at the views and you're like, why are we bothering? And I speak to people about it, it's like, oh, everyone has their thoughts and theories on why these things don't work. And I'm just sitting thinking, is it worth it? I don't understand what's going on half the time. I feel like I'll do a video that I want to do and it might get good views. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And then I'll do one that's like answering a question that I'm like, I would love someone to have made that video, and I do, and it literally is, the performance is dog shit. And then there's random videos that do, it's just, what am I doing wrong? Why is like no one, why am I finding it so hard to get reach, you know, to get new eyes on stuff? That's the hardest thing I find. I'll phone Ryan, see what he thinks.
All right, mate. You all right?
I'm good, thanks. Yeah, I'm good. Are you busy right now? Have you got 2 minutes?
Well, yeah, you know how it is. I'm just procrastinating.
Standard. I come to expect that from you.
Watching a Matt Devella video about him quitting social media for 30 days.
Well, is it any good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Although I am thinking of taking the internet and social media and just chucking them in the sea, to be honest.
That's the thing though, isn't it? I have these days where I'm done with social media. Sign me out, please.
Anyway, what can I do for you?
You watch my YouTube videos, don't you? Better say yes.
Yeah, sure, I watch your YouTube videos.
Not convinced by that answer. So I'm going through my numbers today. I'm always trying to work out what the hell's going on, right? I know we've talked about this loads of times before, but I can't get new people to watch the videos. I don't understand why.
Well, we've spoken about this before, haven't we? We both know that you're you're blacklisted.
Yes, well, blacklisting apart, what do we think's going on?
Well, that and searchability as well. I mean, we both know no one's looking for a guy in his mid-30s bombing around Belfast on his one wheel, making quirky videos talking about his observations on life.
True. I feel like people should, though. I think people would love it if they watched it.
They just want to know what camera you're using, what colour profile you have it set to, and, you know, the best way to shoot a potato using a cinematic B-roll sequence.
One of those Daniel Schiffer videos where you just throw things across a room and attack it with a knife. Yeah, I know. It doesn't interest me. Like the thing, I get the searchable side of stuff, but there has to be another reason.
Does that help at all?
Not really. It doesn't really help, no. All right, I'll keep looking. I'm convinced there's something else going on. Something sinister is happening here. There has to be another reason. Anyway, thanks, dude. I'll chat to you later on.
Good stuff. Catch you later.
I'm still not convinced. Tell you who might know, Mr. Brockhurst. Yo, Chris, what's happening, dude? I'm going through my YouTube videos. I'm trying to work out why I am struggling to get reach, like to new people, to new viewers. I can't work it out. What am I doing wrong? Send. I'll give my mate Dunn a shout because his channel's growing so dramatically, like so quickly, and he's hit like 100k or something. So he's gotta know. Where are you? Favorites. After wife. Donna.
Hey man, what?
Yo, what's up, Donna? How's it going, dude?
Dylan.
Yo.
Dill, it's a video call.
Hello?
All
Can you hear
I
me
can
okay?
see is the inside of your ear right now, and you have a serious earwax problem.
What? Oh, that's not the first time that's happened.
What's up, dude?
It has not been a great month, tech wise. I did exactly this the other day. Sent someone an ear video. Anyway, not the point. I'm trying to work out, right, in your opinion, why no one's watching my videos. I'm convinced something sinister is going on. There has to be. Right? Ryan and I joke about the whole blacklisting thing, but realistically, you watch my videos, right?
Yeah, I think I watch most of them. Unless you're secretly releasing more that you're not telling me about.
No, and even if I was, no one would be watching them, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to work out, in your opinion, what you think I'm doing wrong. Like, why am I not able to reach new people?
Wow, it's a big question, right? Like the easiest way to get discovered on YouTube is to have searchable content, something that people are already searching for, and then make sure that your CPM stays high because you've got strong thumbnails and things that people want to click when they do search for it. And right now, I don't think that your content is super searchable necessarily because it's kind of more vlog based. It's more like life based. So unless you can tie it to something that's a little bit more of a searchable topic or a product or something along those lines, it is a little bit more difficult to get traction because the algorithm favors when, you have that kind of a searchable thing, something that people are already looking for. So you might have a little bit of difficulty, but the best thing that you can do is just keep making videos because eventually someone's going to stumble across what you're doing, and if it's good, they'll share it.
No, that's fair enough. That's solid advice, I guess. Like, what you're saying makes total sense, and I just feel like there's something else going on, Anyway, dude, thanks very much. Don't want to pest you anymore. I'll go back to try work this out. I'll chat to you again soon, dude, all right? Take it easy, man.
Dope.
Message from Brockhurst.
Dylan, I'm by no means an expert, but maybe if I share with you what works for me, then you can try that out and see if it works. I find when I put the title as the name of the gear that I'm using, so like A7 III with whatever lens I'm using that day, people end up searching for that kind of thing, and they click it and it gets more views. So you can try that. The other thing that I'll say works is make it a little bit clickbaity. So I'm not a fan of the screen on this thing, so I might write why the A7 III is awful, when in actual fact it's not. It's a good camera, just I don't like the screen. So people like negative stuff, people like clickbaity stuff, and they tend to click on it more. I guess that's why it's called clickbait. So maybe give that a go, see if that works for you.
One of my videos that actually has performed one of the best does have the word Sony A7 III in the title, so maybe I'm missing a trick there. I still think something else is going on. There has to be another reason for this. Pamela's been helping me do stuff. I wonder if she knows. Pamela, are you looking through my YouTube channel?
Yeah, why?
Well, I'm going through my stats and I can't work out why the videos aren't performing. Like, I'm doing, well, say topical stuff, but I'm doing things that I want to do, things that I think people will enjoy watching. Mm-hmm. Doesn't matter what I do, they're not exploding. I'm trying to work out how to get this, like, to reach a new audience. I spoke to Dun and Ryan and Brockhurst, and they're all saying the same thing. Oh, you're not talking about gear enough. You're not using creating searchable content.
Yeah.
But I mean, I just feel that should be something else. Why are they not going viral? Why are they not exploding? Why is no one finding them? Are you going through the checklists?
Yes. So we check hashtags, categories,
Yep.
cross-ref against
Yep.
similar content,
Yep.
double check, topics, and then wipe down every video.
What? What did you say? I wasn't really listening to you. You check all the stuff. Topics. What was it?
Categories,
There was something
topics,
else.
similar content, wipe down, double check.
What? Sorry, wipe down.
Yeah.
What are you wiping down?
The video?
Why? When you wipe down the videos?
Yeah, you
Why?
have to because of the whole government thing. Like, you
What
have
do
to
you
sanitize everything.
Just because a video is going to the public, you're
Yes.
sanitizing it. What are you using to? What do you mean you wipe it? What are you sanitizing it with?
You literally have to sanitize everything. So I've got the wipes, the antiviral wipes, and
What
then
wipes?
post the antiviral wipes.
Antiviral.
Yeah.
Antiviral. No wonder no one sees the videos. Antiviral.
know the feeling.
Oh, it's disgusting. It's so wet. I deleted this entire clip initially.
Yuck.
We already filmed this once, and I deleted the whole thing by mistake. I've had to do it again, but this jumper,
Bring
it's
it.
straight out of the washing machine. It's soaking wet. It's all for the video though, right? Let's go.
It's horrible.
Take 2. We're not going to erase the card this time. No erasing card. Ah!
Yuck.
Right, hold on, we need to do a close-up.
I knew the feeling. Dylan's YouTube checklist.
Yeah. Right?
Check.